Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Friday, September 26, 2014. Thank you all for tuning in. Let's jump right into the charts here with the S&P 500 E-mini futures. You're going to see that the futures are trading higher by 3.25 points. They did catch a little bit of a bid and now are coming back in. Again, there was some economic data released just a little while ago. It looks like GDP revision was the big news. I don't really know if we should make much out of it. But it looks like the GDP revision came in revised at 4.6% from 4.2%. I don't know what you want to make out of it, but either way you slice it or dice it, they're saying that the economic data is stronger. So if that happens, it means interest rates should go up faster. Generally, that is a negative for the stock market. But we'll see how it plays out. Today is a Friday. Generally, the market will finish flat to slightly higher. Yesterday was a bloodbath of a trading day with the S&P falling off by 32 points and the NASDAQ Composite down 88 points. Any way you slice it or dice it, that was ugly, ugly, ugly out there yesterday. And we'll see if that is. We get a little bit of follow-through today, but I don't think today would be as sharp. Generally, after you get one of these 90% down days, the next trading day or so, the market is flat to slightly positive. So we'll see if that's the way it finishes today. Either way, be on your toes. This is not a market that you want to just take for granted that it's going to go higher like it has in the past. Looking at a few stocks out here today, we have Nike up first. Ticker symbol is NKE. Stock is trading at $85.88. It closed at $79.75. This is a new all-time high for Nike, so I'm not going to have a great level, but I will tell you this much. Around $87, the stock should hit some decent resistance there. So if you are holding Nike right now on the long side, you trail your stop loss till you get to 87. Once you get to 87, you really trail it much tighter. That could be a place where the stock will pull back or at least stall out. But it is a new all-time high. I don't have a good shorting level for Nike, but either way, I'll give it the upside bias till $87. Let's take a look at Micron. And Micron Technology also catching a bid today. The stock closed at $31.70. It's now trading at $34.17. I happen to think there's a fair amount of resistance here for Micron. It may make its way to 35 where it will come up to its near-term double top, but I don't really see much more upside in here for Micron Technology. So again, do the same method there. Just trail the stop loss. You don't want to get in front of it on the short side because it is nearing a new all-time high, or at least attacking its all-time high from about, I think, 2 months ago. So again, right now, Micron should hit some resistance at around $35. It's not a great short, but we'll look to see how it plays out. Let's take a look at Finish Line, FINL. This stock is gapping down, closed at $29.41. This is a pretty big decline here for Finish Line. Any way you slice it or dice it, percentage-wise, that's a pretty decent move. You're looking at about a 10% drop. Right now, this is going to be a stock we will be playing today in the intraday stock chat. I have levels already done for the equity. So if you want to get involved in this with us, please come over to the intraday stock chat at 9 o'clock in the morning. Levels for Finish Line will be posted there. Again, we've been very, very successful on the gap plays that we've had recently, and we look to keep that streak going. So if you're looking to play the gap plays, come on over to the intraday stock chat. We give you a 7-day free trial. You'll see what that's all about. Again, a lot of people are turning into 90-minute traders these days, just trading the gap plays and a few other stock trades that we play each and every morning. Let's take a look at BlackBerry today, BBRY. This is the old research in motion. Stock is trading at $9.78. I'm showing some support at around $9.26. So if it does get down to $9.26, $9.25, there should be some short-term support there. I don't really see much else. After that, my next big level for the stock is going to be all the way down to $7. So again, look at $9.26 for a little minor support here this morning. I want to talk about LLL, which is L3 Communications. It looks like the stock is in the news. They have some accounting problems. I saw this report just a little while ago. Again, the stock right now is trading at 109.73, right where it closed yesterday. So keep that on the radar, though. If the stock trades down to around $105 and maybe 25 cents, 30 cents. That's a place where I get interested in this name today. So again, we'll look to play this potentially a little bit later. Maybe if it falls down to $105.25, somewhere in that vicinity could be a level. But again, this is something we're going to keep on the radar for the intraday stock chat today, so you want to come over to that. And once again, we offer a 7-day free trial for that. We've been knocking it out of the park with those trades, so come on over to the intraday stock chat and see what it's all about. Looking over a few other things here, we just have the ES futures really coming back down toward the flat line. So as I said, better economic data means that the interest rates will need to move higher, or tapering will need to come quicker. And you see the futures really giving back all of their morning gains. They were just up over 4 points. Now they are flat on the session. Looking at the gold market, gold is down $2.70. Remember, if you want to trade gold, your key barometer right here is the dollar yen. When the dollar yen moves higher, gold will move lower, and vice versa. Take a look at the GLD today. You'll see that's trading at $117.27. You can see how it's starting to tick down. If dollar yen moves up, gold will move higher. Today, dollar yen is trading higher by 40 cents. Right now, gold futures are at $1,218 and falling. So if dollar yen remains strong, gold futures for the most part will become under pressure. Let's take a look at oil today. Oil is trading higher by 42 cents to $92.95 a barrel. Let's go to the USO, which is a good way to trade oil via an ETF. And what you're going to see here is that the USO is at $34.95. I'm not sure we're going to make too much out of oil right now. It has rebounded up a little bit, but all in all, the chart still looks pretty weak to me, and oil should be doing better with all of these geopolitical pressures that are coming out around the world, whether it's Syria, whether it's Iraq, whether it's Russia and the Ukraine, and oil is struggling to catch a bid. That is not a bullish sign at the moment. So be very, very careful with oil. ES futures are now back up $1.25, so they're really all over the map, a lot of shaking and baking. But remember, a stronger dollar yen does help the S&P 500. So keep that on the radar today. That is talking to us, and we'll see where this market goes. But will have some stocks in play this morning in the intraday stock chat. Nike, Micron, Finish Line, BlackBerry, and also L3 Communications. So those are what our focus are, and those are the stocks that we will be focusing on, and we'll take it from there. I want to wish you all a great trading day. Have a great weekend, and we'll see you on the charts.